Where are we at?
We at the fair.
We're about to eat.
What can I say? I was like, what can I say then?
We're about to eat.
Do I need to be PG-13?
No. My YouTube channel's not PG-13.
Okay.
Got gyros.
That's a good idea on the thing.
Oh, I know.
Is that battery powered?
You charge it?
What do you got there?
Bush light.
But it's really a modelo.
Tables and turn, cause there are ways about it.
Mr. Brian, can I get your autograph? Mr. Brian, can I get your autograph, sir? Mr. Brian, oh my God, you're so cool, Mr. Brian. This place is fucking cool.
Dito, look, I found Dito's, she showed me how to cover up my skin wearing a jacket today. Shout out to you.
Are you having fun? She fucking loves it.
She fucking loves it.
Yeah, I should have. You see them corn dogs? Big corn dogs.
Yes, sir. Got the big dogs here.
Big dog corn dogs.
Big dog.
How's the corn dog? She loved it. Did you try it? Boba. Nah, I'm okay.
Hey, Eloise, let's get a new bed.
What?
A new bed.
I'm not gonna lie, that's very scary looking. I'm scared. You like that?
I do.
Are you gonna get one?
I would if it wasn't $700.
It's real nice, huh?
Nice. Digging it.
Dope. This place is cool. What are your thoughts of the fair? You like the fair?
It's pretty cool.
You like the fair?
It's pretty cool.
You like me being in your face?
I love it.
What is that?
Dole Whip.
What is it?
Dole Whip.
Dole Whip.
No le tenga miedo al éxito.
Sin miedo al éxito.
Sin miedo al éxito, papi.
Dale, eres
Dale,
un perro.
valor.
Piensa en tu
Ándale,
ex.
eres el perro mayor.
I think they're stuck. Nope, they're not stuck. What you got there?
Funnel cake.
Funnel cake?
You already know.
Get that in there. Get that. Oh, yes sir. Yes sir. Okay, was it a successful fair?
It was.
It was? Okay. Was it a successful fair day? I'm kind of drunk. I'm a little
Is it
bit-
nice?
Yeah, do you like it? She fucking loves it.
Hey, we can do karaoke before we leave.
Get a beer before we leave.